This get is called sort the array with string length. The task is simple. We have to create a function that takes a list as an argument, and we have to return the list ordered from the shortest to the longest string. So not an alphabet, but based on the string length. How to go about this? Well, first of all, we have a built-in method called sort. Let's put it on an array and print the array out. Yeah, there you get the alphabetical order of the list, but you can put in an argument as well. We don't want to sort based on the alphabet, but on the string length. And as the argument, you can pass in key is LAN, is length, and that should sort our list out based on the string length. Let's test it. Oh, well, of course we have to replace the print statement by return statement. Okay, works as designed. Alternatively, you can use the sorted function. It's a built-in function. So you can immediately return sorted and then pass in the list as an argument. Again, this will sort out our list based on the alphabet. Yeah, but we can pass in as a second argument the same key. We want to sort based on the length of the strings, from the shortest till the longest. Yeah, that works as well. Perfect. I hope this has been useful and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in another video. Ciao.